I think the fundamentals of method acting, in a very simple way, is to say that a script, a story, gives you a set of circumstances. It gives you a world in which your character resides. That world would include his social background, his economic background, what has happened to your character. Perhaps, let's say that, your parent has passed away. That would have an impact on your character. So the writer gives you a certain set of circumstances, and within those certain set of circumstances, how do you use your imagination and how do you use yourself to find a character? And I think the biggest and the greatest tool of method acting is that it believes that acting is action. It is doing. You do not, as a performer, say, oh, in life, I am angry, or I am scared. Oh, we never do that, right? If we're scared, we want to do something about it. We want to run or we want to attack. If we're angry, we do something. We don't just say, stand there and say, oh, I am angry, therefore I will make an angry face and I will, make angry gestures to show that I am angry. No, I will always do something. So I think the greatest tool that method acting gives you is in terms of figuring out the emotional and physical actions that you as an actor can do within a set of given circumstances. The difference between stage and screen is purely in terms of the craft. The process of finding a character is really the same, but the craft is very different. First of all, in theatre, you're performing live, you're performing to an audience. You are rehearsing for a period of time. You are creating a character that goes, from the beginning to end, and you're showing that on stage. In film, it's quite different. First of all, you have a camera that you are performing to. You're shooting out of sequence. You're learning how to find your mark. You're learning how to catch the light. So it's basically craft-led things which become different. But I think the point is you are acting, you are reacting and acting to another actor. That you do, whether you do it on stage or whether you do it on screen. You are still creating a full, truthful character, whether you do it in theatre or whether you do it on screen. That does not change.